Visa is testing a new approach to financial services that brings blockchain-based stablecoin spending directly into everyday card transactions. In partnership with DeFi-native platform WeFi, the pilot is enabling users to spend self-custodied stablecoin balances across Visa's global acceptance network in regions including Europe, Asia, and Latin America. This marks a shift from traditional custodial models to a system where users can maintain control of their assets while still accessing familiar payment experiences. The initiative is part of Visa's broader stablecoin program, which already processes $7 billion annually across 9 blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche. WeFi acts as an orchestration layer, connecting DeFi-native assets to regulated payment systems. This means users can fund their Visa cards with stablecoins rather than bank deposits, potentially expanding access to on-chain value storage and cross-border spending. Unlike many crypto card models that require users to surrender custody of their funds to centralized exchanges, WeFi's approach allows users to keep their assets in self-custody or hybrid setups. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Collaboration aims to explore how on-chain value can interact with traditional payment systems within existing regulatory frameworks. Visa and WeFi are testing use cases such as everyday card payments, on-chain value storage, and cross-border spending. This could represent a step toward mainstream adoption of blockchain-based financial services, where users retain custody while still benefiting from the convenience of traditional payment infrastructure. The initiative is still in the pilot phase, and while the potential is significant, the long-term success will depend on how well the system integrates with current financial regulations and user behavior. WeFi describes itself as a bridge between decentralized finance and regulated payment systems, and this pilot is a direct test of that concept. If successful, it could influence how other financial institutions approach blockchain-based services. The next signal to watch is whether this pilot expands beyond its initial markets and if other payment providers follow suit with similar on-chain banking models. The stakes are clear. If this model proves viable, it could redefine how consumers interact with digital assets in their daily financial lives. By enabling stablecoins to function as a direct funding source for card payments, Visa and WeFi are addressing a key pain point in the crypto ecosystem: custody and usability. Users no longer have to move their assets into centralized custodians to spend them in the real world. Instead, they can retain control while accessing the same payment infrastructure they already trust. This could also open new opportunities for cross-border transactions, where most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Stablecoins might offer faster and cheaper alternatives to traditional banking systems. However, the success of this model will depend on regulatory acceptance, consumer adoption, and the reliability of the underlying blockchain infrastructure. If the pilot demonstrates that on-chain banking can coexist with existing financial systems without compromising security or compliance, it could signal a broader shift in the financial industry. For now, the focus remains on testing and refining the model, with the potential to reshape how stablecoins are used in everyday commerce.